Okay, dear student. Yes. Now see, today we will calculate salary structure. That is, we will calculate DA, HRA, total pay, and tax based on condition. Okay. And in this case, DA as 130% of basic or 40,000, whichever is more, in column C. HR is 18% of basic or 20,000, whichever is less. Total pay is the addition of basic DA, HRA in column E, and tax as 25% of percentage of total pay. Total pay is in which column, dear student? In column, yes, dear student, E. E की F है E. Very good, nice. Now DA, what is the DA? Here I will write DA as 130%. Therefore, student here, dear student, always type what? Always type here equal to sign. I'm selecting C2. Why? Because our aim is to find out the DA. Okay, and DA here I will write is equal to, we need more, therefore always use maximum. Maximum of what? Maximum of B2 into 130%. 130%. Dear student, don't write anything. I will share this video with you. Then what? 130%. Dear student, 130%. So I will here type 130%. Comma, maximum of what? First find 130% of basic and compare with 40,000. See, we will check with your answer. And this should be 65,000. We will check. See, bracket complete, and then press what? And dear student, then press enter. Therefore, system will display yes 65,000. Understood, dear student, up to this level?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, super.
Yes,
super.
sir.
Now, if you want to find out the DA of Rupali, Wazif, Sahil, Mariam, and Ashish, just select again C2. Then see, this is your left corner, lower side here, left corner, and just select C2 and drag this fill handle. See, this is the fill handle. Yes, to what? Yes, dear student, to C7. Is it correct? Therefore, I will select C2 and drag till C7. See, you can easily, you can, you watch D of Tanmay, Rupali, Wazit, Sahil, and Mariam, but see for Ashish, it is 40,000 because as per this condition, according to your calculation, that is about 26,000. Is it correct? आशीष का कितना था डीए 26,000 बराबर, लेकिन इधर क्या है 40,000 because our condition is whichever is maximum. Therefore, see here, suppose select this C7 and this use maximum. And yes, if you want to find minimum, then you should select instead of maximum. Yes, hello student, कौन सा आपको सिलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा? मिनिमम. Is it correct? Understood to this level? Hello student.
Yes, sir.
Therefore,
Yes,
I will
sir.
select this
Yes,
all.
sir.
And yes, now nice. Thank you so much, dear all. Now next point is HRA is 18%. Can you view this screen? आपको स्क्रीन प्रॉपर दिख रही है?
Yes,
Hello,
sir.
student?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
दिख रहा है.
Now the next step is to find HRA. क्या मुझे फाइंड आउट करने का है? HRA. And what is the HRA? What is the formula for here? HRA 18%. कितना परसेंट है? 18%. 18% है. किसका 18% है? बेसिक का. सपोज बेसिक है, बेसिक का 18%, और जो वैल्यू आया है दैट कंपेयर दैट वैल्यू विथ विच नंबर? हेलो स्टूडेंट,
20,000.
यस 20,000. एंड विच एवर इज लेस, देखो क्या लिखा है, विच एवर इज लेस इन कॉलम, आई विल शिफ्ट दिस इन कॉलम डी. कॉलम डी क्या है आपका डियर स्टूडेंट? डी इज HRA एंड कंपेयर विथ 20,000 एंड विच एवर इज लेस, जो आया है compare that number with 20,000 and then you can put. Dear student, if you have small data, छोटा data है, you can easily calculate, but आपके पास large data है, so you should use such type of MS Excel function. Now see, first, yes, what is the first step, dear student? First I will select, if you want to find out HRA is which is in which column? D. Therefore first step is select D2 and then type is sign. Hello student.
Equal.
Superb.
Equal
Equal to and ये student whichever is less इसलिए क्या आएगा equal to MIN minimum open bracket basic. What is the formula? What is the address for this 50,000? Yes.
B2 multiply
Superb. Multiply by, yes, very good.
18%,
Nice. Dear student, nice. 18%.
comma
Perfect. Comma, very good. Superb. Nice.
20,000.
Right, superb. Nice.
Bracket close.
And bracket complete. Very good. Nice. And then just press enter. Enter press करो and you will get 9,000. देखो क्या है 9,000 जो है वैल्यू है which is always HR is 18% of basic or 20,000. Suppose more than 20,000 है then you should write here 20,000. Now see again same procedure. Then again select D2 and drag the fill handle to anyone, dear student.
D7.
Superb, nice. I will select this and drag to. Can you tell me? See, whichever is less 20,000. HR is always less than 20,000. See, you can see 9,000, Wajid 10,800, Sahil 11,700, Mariam 12,600, and Ashish is 3,600. Always less than 20,000. Okay. Now next, can I proceed for next? That is total pay. Hello student.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
dear student, can you find the total pay? Can you tell me anyone? What will be the procedure steps to find out the total pay?
Is equal to sum B2 plus C2 plus D2.
Yes, very good. Nice. मतलब क्या है? I will write here is equal to B2 plus C2 plus D2. ओके, ये आंसर आपका है ना? यस, वेरी गुड, नाइस. और किसी का अलग आंसर है? हेलो स्टूडेंट, if you want to find
Sum is equal to
okay, very good, nice, no problem beta, no problem. Sum, yes, you can use sum function, very good, nice. और किसी का और आंसर है? हेलो स्टूडेंट,
Okay.
परफेक्ट आपका आंसर है. थोड़ा सा मैं चेंज करता हूँ, चलेगा ना? हेलो स्टूडेंट, कैन आई?
Yes, sir.
Yes, superb. Dear
Yes, sir.
student, first step is select E2. Understood? Hello? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
मुझे
Yes,
कौन
sir.
सा?
Yes, sir.
Yes, select मैंने E2 and then type perfect. बाकी का आपका सब perfect है. Equal to sign. मुझे total पे चाहिए. तो in which column? Column E. So you can write, dear student, you can directly write B2 or just select this plus sign 65,000 plus sign 9,000. Okay, आप इसको ब्रैकेट भी दे सकते हैं like this. Bracket, open bracket, close bracket, and just press enter. Okay, and again same procedure, select E2 and drag fill handle to E7.
7.
बराबर, E7 देखो सबका है टोटल पे. और this is using addition, बराबर. Okay, same function you can write equal to sum using sum. Suppose है SUM in bracket, dear student, B2 colon what? Hello student, colon D2, bracket complete, you will get same answer. Okay, using plus operator or using sum function, you can find out the total of basic, B and H. Understood up to this level? Hello student.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
last column, that is column 8, is related to tax. And dear student, what is the tax? And condition is the tax as 25% of total pay. And you should find tax in which column? Column F. Therefore, first step is just select F2. Understood this level, dear students?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. So then I will select F2. Okay, and type, yes, I will type equal to, yes, total pay. Total pay is in, dear student, which column? Total pay.
E.
column F.
कॉलम
E column.
ई कॉलम है, तो मुझे एक करने पड़ेगा E2 into 25%. ठीक है, इज इट करेक्ट? कैन आई प्रोसीड? E2
Yes,
into
sir.
20. Now you
Yes,
will get tax. देखो tax. Select again this and drag up to. तो देखो तन्मय का टैक्स है 31,000, रूपाली का है 34,100, वाजिद 37200, साहिल 40,300, मरियम 43,400 एंड आशीष 15,900. तो आशीष बहुत बड़ा खुश है, बहुत कम टैक्स पे कर रहा है, लेकिन इसका सैलरी भी बहुत कम है एज कम्पेयर टू. यस और नो? अंडरस्टूड हियर ऑल?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, no. This is about the MS Excel function, use of MS Excel function using based on condition, different type of condition. ऐसा अलग अलग condition रहता है. Can you tell? Can you focus on or can you tell me any related to the how we can calculate tax based on age factor? आपको पता है ऐसा कुछ है? Is there any relation of tax with respect to age or with respect to your income? Up, you are from commerce background, so you should know what are the different factors. आपको पता है क्या क्या? What are the different factors? Based on that factor, we can calculate tax. Yes, anyone? Hello, student. Okay, please try to find out what are the different factors. Okay, and this is about the dear student calculation of DA, HRA, and total pay and tax based on this condition. Understood, dear student?
Yes, sir.
Super nice.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now I will here type basic. Suppose basic is 75,000, 50,000, 99,000. Hello, student. Can you tell me? Yes. First select what? C2. Correct? Yes. Then
Yes.
Is
Then
equal
what?
to
yes. Very
Equal
good.
to.
max
Superb. Nice. Nice. Max in bracket.
bracket B2
Yes. B2
into 145%,
145%,
comma
Comma.
50,000.
50,000. Super. Bracket complete. Then press enter. When you press enter, system will display that is about 1,08,750. Okay. Then select C2 and drag fill handle to C7.
C7.
Okay, you will get this. And see, according to this VA, we can say that we can observe that all these values are generally more than 50,000. Is it correct? देखो, DA as this 145% of basic or 50,000, which is more. So ये जो value है is always more than 50,000 or more than 50,000. Understood, yes, student? Now, देखो, what is the next? HRA. HRA as 35% of the basic or 30,000, whichever is less. Now, can you tell any one conclusion based on this condition? Means आपका जो ये value आएगा ना, that is the value under the column D, that is always 30,000 और लेस देन 30,000. अंडरस्टूड डियर स्टूडेंट? देखो क्या कंडीशन मैंने रखा है, 30,000 विच एवर इज लेस. तो ये जो वैल्यू आएगा ना एचआरए का वैल्यू, ये क्या रहेगा, मैक्सिमम आपका कितना रहेगा, 30,000. अंडरस्टूड डियर स्टूडेंट?
Yes, sir.
Next is equal to, yes, anyone?
So
Hello,
minimum
Minimum, very good,
Minimum.
nice. Minimum, nice.
into the
Again,
bracket
B2
B2
into
into 35%,
35%,
comma
bracket,
30,000.
30.
Comma
Yes.
30,000.
comma
30,000.
30,000.
30,000, bracket complete, and just press enter.
Enter.
So they go 26,250 and ये देखो 30,000. Maximum value is about 30,000. These are the different techniques. Okay, and last is your total pay. That is the addition of all these column, that is B, C, and D. So you can equal to, I will write sum in bracket, right range, this colon dear student, B2, bracket complete, and enter. This is the total pay, 2,10,000. Again select E2 and that is this. Okay. With the salary of Tesla, total pay is about 6,42,500 per month. And tax, again select F2, then equal to, yes student, equal to what? Hello student. Tax is 30%. Yes,
E2.
E2, very good. E2 or select
E2
this
into 30%.
30%. This is tax. And select F2 and drag till F7. Okay, and this is about the calculation of salary based on different criteria for DA, HRA, total pay, and tax. Okay. Yes, student, understood level. Any doubt, any query, any suggestion?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay. Yes, student, computer. Next,
Accounts.
accounts,
Commerce.
Economics, commerce,
eco,
Tax.
commerce, and tax. Very good, nice. I will give here different colors. Red color. Okay. Here I will give green color and blue. Highest again I will give, yes. Yes, okay. Yes, anyone, please tell name.
And my
Yes, next,
Mariam.
Maria. Next,
Sahil.
Sahil. Hello, student, anyone?
Shane.
Yes,
Zubin or Shane.
Subin. Next,
Aryan.
okay, Aryan. Okay. Yes, Tanmay, please tell your computer marks. Tanmay,
out of क्या है सर?
out of 100, all.
याद नहीं आ रहा है, डाल दो 70 डाल दो.
Just randomly do it. Just for example,
90 sir, 90.
90, eco,
80.
80, commerce,
60.
60, and tax. Fast.
95.
95. 95. एक मिनट है.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, Mariam. Fast. Mariam.
85,
85,
80,
80,
79,
79,
76,
76,
82.
82. Yes, Sahil, fast.
So 90,
90,
85,
85,
80,
80,
75,
75,
70.
70. Zubin, fast.
80,
80,
72,
72,
90,
90,
95,
95, 82. Yes, Aryan,
65,
65,
70,
70,
75,
75,
80,
80,
85.
85. Okay, I will make here center alignment. Now see, total. Yes, dear friend. For total, first select what? G2. See,
2.
what is the total marks in column G? First, I will select G2 equal to sign. Then I will write sum, open bracket. First select B2, then colon, dear student, colon what?
F2.
Colon F2. Yes, anyone?
E2.
E2.
E2. E2 की F2.
आएगा ना, टैग्स भी है ना.
F2.
Tag भी है.
F2.
Yes,
F2.
F2. Super. Bracket complete and just press enter. 395. Again, select G2 and drag fill handle till G6. Okay. Average. Next is average. Yes, anyone? Again, select. See, what is the second question is average marks in column H. Then, dear student, step 1 is select H2 equal to sign average. Again, in bracket. Yes, average of what? Hello, student. That is B2
B2,
colon. Yes, B2 colon what?
F2.
F2. Bracket complete. See, this is the average. Then again select H2 and drag fill handle to H6. Okay. Now see, first number is 79, second is 80.4, 80, 83.8, and 75. Means we can format this H column. Okay. And dear student, if you want one digit after decimal point, then select this entire data range, then right click, and in right click, dear student, see option number 4 from bottom. What is that option?
Format cell.
Yes, format cell. Option number 4 from bottom. Click on that. You will get different options like number. Here, then click on number and decimal place. If dear student, if you want one digit after decimal point, then select here, make it 1. Make it 1. If you want 2 digit, then select 2. And then you press here or make it 1. Automatically here you will get the one sample form 79.0. See. Then for 0, see, for 2 you will get 79.00 like that. Okay. But our aim is to find that format cell one digit after decimal point. Therefore here I am making here 1, and therefore click OK and see here 79.0, 80.0, 80.4, 80.0, 83.8, and 75.0. Understood up to this level how we what is the procedure steps to format a particular data based on your criteria. Understood here, student, up to this level?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Super, nice. Next point is highest subject wise in cell C. C carefully B7, C6, D7, E7 and F7. मतलब क्या? इधर A this column B7 है, C7, D7, E, F is what? Not G, because G is your total. Is what? Hello student, ये क्या है चाहिए मुझे? Highest. देखो कंप्यूटर में हाईएस्ट किसको मार्क्स है कंप्यूटर में? हेलो स्टूडेंट, एनीवन?
साहिल।
साहिल। साहिल को कितने मार्क्स है? 90। अकाउंट्स में किसको ज्यादा मार्क्स है? तन्मय को
तन्मय।
90।
तन्मय।
इको में 90 इज हाईएस्ट, दैट इज जुबिन। कॉमर्स में 95 इज हाईएस्ट, दैट इज अगेन जुबिन। एंड टैक्स में 95 इज for Tanmay and that is the maximum. So if you have small data, आपको आपके पास सपोज छोटा डेटा है, you can easily find, but suppose large data है, millions of iteration है, तो that will take time. इसलिए you should use such type of function. Now yes, highest subject wise, then yes dear student, what is the, if you want to find out the highest data, so what is the Excel function? Hello,
So
sir.
equal to maximum.
Superb, superb, nice. Thank you so much, dear student. Equal to maximum, and in this case, our aim is to find out the vertical maximum. So range is, dear student, we need maximum of computer from Tanmay, Mariam, Sahil, Zubin and Aryan. तो कंप्यूटर में किसको मार्क्स ज्यादा है और कितने मार्क्स है वो मुझे फाइंड आउट करने का है. एंड देयरफॉर इन ब्रैकेट you should see, you can select 70 these two colon what? Hello student, colon what?
B6. B6.
B6 sir.
Superb, B6
6.
and bracket complete and just press enter. Therefore system will display 90. ये देखो इधर भी आपका आंसर होना चाहिए 90, इधर का क्या होना चाहिए 90, but here 95 and here again 95. Then for select this B7 and drag till F. Understood, dear student? Please check. Is this correct? देखो इसमें 90 is highest, again 90 is highest, 90 is highest, in this case 95 and in this case 95. Understood? This is your highest subject wise marks in B6, C, B7, C, D, E and H7. Understood? And last part is average highest. तो एवरेज हाईएस्ट के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा मुझे? सिलेक्ट व्हाट? H7. अंडरस्टूड डियर स्टूडेंट? H7.
Yes, sir.
सुपर. तो H7 इक्वल टू मैक्सिमम इन ब्रैकेट, यस एनीवन?
H2 colon H6.
H2, very good, perfect. So I can write H2 colon H6 bracket complete and you will get C. 83.8, that is C. 83 is the maximum. So I will use C. Okay. And this is about the procedure steps to obtain total in G, average in H, highest in B7, C6, D7, E7 and H7 and average highest marks in H7. Okay. Yes, dear student, understood up to this level? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Yes,
एंजॉय
sir.
किया आपने लेक्चर?
मजा आया.
यस, मजा आना है क्योंकि आप वर्को लिखे सिंसियर है, आप रिस्पॉन्स भी इमीडिएटली. कभी कभी मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आपको सब ये पता है. थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू ऑल डियर ऑल. नाउ